They know.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
Guys, I just dropped off Kay sa gate niya. And she was crying the whole time. I try not to cry. Yeah, I'm gonna miss her. Yeah, I'm heading to my gate soon, so I'm gonna board. My flight is actually boarding now, so yeah. See you guys at San Francisco. Alright, so I'll explain my flight details in a bit. And guys, so ano na, pre-boarding na kami. Tapos, yeah, I was gonna share my flight details. So this morning, punta ako San Francisco connecting. Tapos I'll be there for like 2 hours. And then at 12 o'clock, I'm gonna fly out to Haneda. And I think the flight's around 8 hours or so. Or 12 hours, I'm not sure. And yeah, I'll land at Haneda. And I'll arrive around 5 p.m. Japan local time. Tapos, yeah, I'll check in my hotel kind of late, around dinner time. Yeah, and I'll see you guys sa San Francisco, sa layover. Ciao. Yun guys, kakarating ko lang sa SF. Hanap ako ng lounge or makakainin kasi I have mga 3 hours na layover or 2 hours ata. Eh, gutom na ako. Kakatawa kanina kasi I was nasa ano ako, nakatulog ako mga 10 minutes sa plane, tapos nagising ako kasi yung laway ko was tumutulo dito. Nahiya ako. But yeah, gutom na ako. Gutom lang to. Basta na ako matulog mamaya sa long leg ng flight ko. So the flight from Austin to San Francisco is like 4 hours. Tapos SF to Haneda is like 12 hours. Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Not really. And guys, nakapasok na ako sa lounge. So the club SFO. If you have priority pass, it's free. So it looks like this. There's plenty of food and everything. Yeah. And I'll grab food real quick and update you guys. Yan guys, nakasettle down na ako. So I got still the breakfast menu. So it's like potatoes and scrambled eggs and turkey sausage and my congee. This is enough. So kain mo na ako. And I'll update you guys. Yan guys, round 2. Parang orange chicken and then some salad, some rice, and some tomato based soup.
I think that's gonna make sense.
And guys, tapos na ako sa lounge na to. I'm heading to my gate. Thank you. Busog na ako. Oh my God. Yan guys, Club SFO. Yeah, naka 2 rounds na ako. Tapos, yeah, and I had to use their bathroom. Nakataya ako. Am I allowed to say that? So, yeah, Terminal A. Usually, Terminal A, just follow the signs.
You good?
A gates over here, as you can see. Yeah. Hanapin ko lang yung gate ko. Tapos, I'll be set. Because my flight leaves at 12:50. And it's currently 12 noon ngayon. Daming Filipino. This is what I like about coast cities kasi daming Filipino. Sa SF ako ngayon. Usually New York din marami. Hanapin ko lang yung gate ko. And makakapagpahinga na ako. Yan, Kay texted me, nasa ano na daw siya. Nasa may, anong tawag dito? Sa Chicago na daw. So, buti naman she arrived safely. ako na naman next magta-travel. Lakad lang muna ako sa A gates. So na-remember ko, I think it's like a 5-minute to 10-minute walk from the lounge because last time I went to Japan or umuwi ako ng Pinas, this was the exact same layover. Oh, not exactly the same, but late yun. Basta, I had to go through the lounge ulit. Alright, update ko kayo. Hi guys, what's up? Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you guys are. Na-realize ko na hindi pala ako nakapag-intro kanina kasi na-busy nga. So, yeah, I have to catch you guys up kasi I don't know if you guys know, but I'm flying out to Tokyo today. Nagsabay kami punta ni Kay sa airport tapos nag-Tokyo. I'm heading to Tokyo for at least 20 days or 5, I forgot how long. But yeah, now I'm currently walking to my gate. Again, I'll update you guys. Nasa layover ako ngayon sa San Francisco. So it was Austin to San Francisco for 4 hours, and then I'm waiting for my flight ngayon at 12:50. I think my plane is it here? Oh, it's already here. It's right over there. You can see it. Yeah. And then my flight leaves at 12:50. My layover ako na 3 hours, so I stayed at the Club SFO Lounge. Hopefully hindi masyadong maraming tao today. And yeah, it's 12 noon right now. Tayo na ako mag-boarding kami. I don't know where A10 is exactly. I think nasa baba. But there's not a lot of people. Because it's noon. Or I don't know. But yeah, last time I was here, ang daming tao. I was pauwi ng Pinas. Ganda ng panahon guys. Sana i-bless tayo ng magandang panahon sana. Sa Tokyo or during our stay sa Japan. Nahanap ko na yung gate ko. Chill na lang. Yan guys, board na kami. This is what the seat looks like in economy. Screen, it's like a 8-inch, 10-inch screen. There's plenty of like pockets here. And leg room. And nagataal seat. Hopefully wala akong katabi. Yeah. I want some slippers. Manghihi ako pag nakalipad na. Antay ko kayo mamaya sa food. Sige, nahihiya ako. Dude, namin guys. First big salad. Some kind of burger. Patty. Some kind of pasta. And miso soup. Yan guys, just like that. Nasa Tokyo na tayo. Nasa Haneda Airport ako. It actually took 10 hours. Yeah, I slept like 80% of the time. Plus, yeah, I'm gonna go through immigration. Tapos, I'll pick up my luggage. And yeah, hanap tayo ng way to get to our hotel. See you. It's Japan guys. They're helping set the luggages sa carousel. Sa most of the airports I've been to, they just let it slide and risk of destroying your luggage. Grabe. So yan guys, nakalabas na tayo sa immigration. It took a while. Mabilis lang sana kaso I was waiting for my luggage at a wrong carousel. So yeah, I wasted time, but it's okay. For you to kind of like streamline it, kasi if na-timingan kayong maraming planes na nag-land,
medyo matagalan nga kasi nga maraming tao pupunta ng Tokyo. But yeah, I highly suggest na right before you come to Japan, mag-ano kayo, go visit travel Japan or something like that. And you guys should fill out the information, everything, like you declare your travel. Tapos they'll give you a QR code. Tapos you're just gonna scan it once you arrive. Ang sobrang bilis. And nga, like they will herd you. They will guide you through the process because they will separate the people who had the QR code and also the people who don't have the QR code. And mas mabilis nga kung may QR code ka. Kasi nga, once you get here and pag wala kang QR code, you have to fill out manually. And nakakapagod. Other than that, mabilis. Tapos they will take pictures of you and your fingerprints. Tapos ang sobrang bilis. Because they use AI to scan the people that's going through the electronic route, which is I think A and D, if I'm not mistaken. Route A and D, yung may mga QR code. That's where you go. They will guide you through it. Having people, they will like usher you, and yeah, you'll go through this set of cameras and like it will recognize you from your declarations page, and I think that's it. But yeah, bago tayo lumabas to go to the train station and go to our hotel, withdraw muna tayo. Konting pera lang sa 7-Eleven bank. Siguro mga $50 pang patawid gutom lang. Tapos withdraw tayo bukas ulit or kung kailan tayo maubusan ng pera. And I think that's it muna. Tapos hanap lang ako, we'll find a way para we can get to our hotel. I know it's easy. I think it's just one ride, 50-minute train ride. Update ko kayo mamaya. Kakakonect ko lang ng internet. Tapos highly suggest buy an eSIM through Klook or some other eSIMs out there. Basta ako bumili ako sa Klook. Unlimited for 15 days. I think it's only like $40. So yun guys, nakapag-withdraw na ako ng money. And a good thing, isang train lang sasakyan ko from Haneda to my hotel. It's called KQ line. If you're staying around Asakusa or Asakusabashi, you only need to take KQ line, and it's isang train lang siya. It's like a 50-minute train ride. And pag may IC card kayo, tap lang kayo dun. And then just walk straight over here. And yeah, I'll try to find my way sa hotel ko. I mean, medyo nalito ako kasi I was using, di ba, highly recommended yung Google Maps. Tapos nalito lang ako kasi my Google Maps was set to not use my anong tawag dito? Yung train. So when I went to the information center, they had to like select the setting for trains and buses kasi it was asking me to take a taxi. And so when they selected that setting, parang it unlocked the option for me to take the train. So kita-kitsa na tayo dun when I get to my hotel. Hi guys, finally naka-check-in na ako. Oh my god, nakaka-stress. So yun nangyari. Nakwento ko sa inyo saglit. Anyways, nasa room na ako. Nandun ako nung, di ba, nanghingi ako ng tulong. I asked for help sa information dun sa my airport. And yeah, it was a pretty easy ride sana. Kaso, na-lost in translation ako. Like, I was so confused what train to board. Tapos, namali ako sa train na sakyan ko. And so I had to stop, get off at a common station nung train na nasakyan ko. And I had to wait for a couple more minutes. So yun, parang, hindi naman ako kinabahan. Pero parang usually, whenever I go travel solo, I usually, I'm only worried about to and from my hotel or accommodation from the airport. After nun, pag makarating na ako, boom, wala na, para akong nakatae, na-release na. Like, I'm good. And yeah, so I'm here at my hotel. It's called Hotel Route Grand Inn. Let me read my reservation. So it's called Hotel Route in Grand Tokyo Asakusabashi. So may, yes, close to sa Asakusa na area. Kasi nga, nag-research ako. Dito daw parang medyo laid back compared sa Shibuya or sa Shinjuku. And I prefer it that way kasi nagustuhan ko talaga yung Kyoto last time when I went. Last year. Reminiscent sa Austin where I live. City pa rin, sa gitna pa rin ng Tokyo. Pero malapit sa temple, yung isang famous temple. Tapos yung hotel, parang medyo mid-range siya. So, it's kind of good. Tapos, yun nga, may pinafollow kong vlogger na si Marvin Samako. Sabi nga niya sa Tokyo or sa Tokyo, sa Hong Kong, yung mga hotels talaga maliliit yung area. So, I expected it, pero gulat nga ako medyo may malaking space kasi nga, sabi nga sa iba na parang wala masyadong space pag malaking luggage. So, yeah, quick room tour. Tapos, kasi kakain tayo. So, dito yung door. It's my double locks. Tapos you have to insert your key card when you get in. I'm not sure if pwede another card kasi dala ko yung library card ko. Maybe I can put it there. Tapos, ito yung, haggard. Medyo haggard na ako. Yeah, and then, may mga hangers naman ko. Hangers. May some slippers, guys. I don't know if meron silang, kasi this hotel has an onsen. But yeah, there's a TV, may mga storage naman dyan, outlets, little tiny desk for you to work at. Hindi ko dinala laptop ko kasi pure vacation talaga to. So hindi ako maka-edit and stuff. And this big bed, I ordered a double bed, but I think this is a queen bed. I'm not sure. Tapos may outlets naman dito. Here's outlet here. Di ako nagdala ng, buti na lang nagdala ako ng, tawag dito? Wow. Oh, they even have adapter. Magaling. Buti na nagdala ako ng adapter kasi parang nakapresent ako. Kala ko. Tapos this is the view from my hotel. Yan yung parang main street. And then, dito, ano ba dito? Oh, it's a fridge. Tapos, ang bait nila. Is this a fan? Or air purifier? Yeah, and also, may option kang non-smoking room. This is a non-smoking room. Medyo clean. Clean nga. Tapos, they gave me free 3 tokens to use for drinks sa vending machine sa baba. Tapos, ito, merong onsen. So, all of my hotels dito sa Japan may onsen. I think except for my last hotel. Because I'm staying at two capsule hotels and then and then 2 hotels. So, ito, may bidet sila. I think it's a given. Tapos, ito, may bathtub din. Ito. And may skincare pa nga sila. I don't know if it's libre. Tapos, sink. Yeah, I think that's it. I gotta brush my teeth muna before I head out kasi gutom na ako. And I think I'm gonna walk towards there kasi may ramen, I think dun. Or I don't know if I should line up for Ichiran kasi it's kind of late. But it's not really, but time check is like 7:40. Yeah, toothbrush muna ako, hilamos, and then we'll head out. Sige, update ko kayo. Yan guys, ito yung sa labas ng hotel ko sa may Asakusabashi. Ganito lang yung vibes niya. Very slow. So mag-aalas 8 na. Gutom na ako pero I have to parang naset ko na anong tawag dito. First meal ko dapat is ramen. So may ramen naman dito. Pero nag-crave ako ng Ichiran. Kasi ang tagal ko nang di nakapag-Ichiran, guys. Tapos hindi sa Japan. It was in New York. It's my first Ichiran experience. This Ichiran na napili ko, malapit dito. Actually, hindi malapit, pero it's a 20-minute walk. So, I think it's a good deal naman na maglakad ako para masanay ako sa surroundings ko dito sa may Asakusabashi or sa may hotel ko. Ayan, ito lang. Ganyan lang. Tapos yung masaklap pa, hindi ko na dala yung glasses ko. Kasi nearsighted ako. So, paggabi, hindi naman mataas masyado grado ako. Pero ngayon parang wala akong na kikita malayo masyado. So, hindi ko ma-read. Ito, mariread ko yan. Kasi malaki. KKK. So, ngayon ito lang yung atake niya, guys. Sana nadala ko yung glasses ko. Oh my god. Ayos din tong area ng hotel ko. Kasi tingnan mo yun, guys. May conveni. Siguro mga pangatlong conveni ko na yung, third 7-Eleven na nadaanan ko. So mamaya daan na lang tayo. Kasi 5 days ako magsistay dito sa hotel ko dito sa area. Daan na lang tayo ng pag-uwi ko ng supplies. Hanap tayo ng supplies. Siguro tubig, gatas. Kasi binigyan ako ng donut na binili namin kahapon. Pinabaon ni Kay sa akin, girlfriend ko. So, gusto ko kasi pag kumakain ako ng matatamis, I pair it with ano tawag dito, gatas or kape. Yun lang. Siguro mag-jaywalk. Jaywalk na lang tayo kung magja-jaywalk siya. Okay, jaywalk tayo. Sige kuya. Yun lang. Actually, sinabayan ko lang si kuya. Minsan ako magja-jaywalk pero walang tao eh. Ito, dito talaga. Green talaga to. Yan. Green yan kasi kita nyo? Hindi nyo nakita. Ano to dito? Coffee shop? Or bar? Oh, it's a hotel. Ay, ano ba to? Nest Hotel. Hotel ko yan. Nest Hotel. Saan yung directions? Mawawala tayo. Just head straight. Straight lang. Sige, bilisan ko na to. Takbuhin ko na siguro. Ito, isa din yung sa hotel na guys. Hotel yan. Na pinagpilian ko. Ewan ko. Ba't napunta ko sa hotel route? Kasi may meron akong cashback ata dun. Tapos, yung maganda dun is meron siyang onsen. Pinipilian ko talaga na may onsen kasi nung last time nagstay ako dito sa Kyoto, may onsen yung murang hotel ko. I think it was like $30 a night. And it wasn't bad. It was actually a business hotel. So it's a capsule hotel lang. Tapos every day, wala kaming private bathroom kasi mga lalaki ay maingay. May ambulansya. Sana okay lang sila. Anyways, yung sa hotel ko dati, wala kaming private bath, mga lalaki. So, public lahat. Tapos, doon kami maliligo sa onsen. So, just butt naked. Tapos, yeah, it was actually my first time na ganun. Sa simula nahihiya pa ako. And then, nung na-notice ko na, wala akong choice, di ba? Dapat maliligo ako. Tapos nung na-notice ko, wala nang paki yung mga tao. And maganda yung experience. Yun. Tapos, may McDonald's Pero hindi tayo kakain dyan. May McDonald's sa US. Hindi naman ako masyado mahilig mag-McDo. Nung sa Pinas pa, mahilig ako mag-McDo. Daming mga shops dito magaganda. Cute ng district dito. Tingnan nyo guys, may Apa Hotel dyan. May Apa Hotel na naman dito. What gives? Ala, Banday. Ano yan? Office nila? Baka may Gundam dyan. Sobrang blurred na yan sa akin. Alam ko lang kasi marami nanonood ako anime tsaka iba't ibang Gundam. Kaya alam ko yung logo na yan. Ay, sayang. Wala akong glasses. Tignan nyo guys. Ano dyan? Shrine? Malapit ata ako sa temple eh. Tinitingnan ko sa maps. Nadaanan ko lang. It's called Kaminarimon. Daan tayo dyan mamaya. After kumain. Matingnan tayo guys. Ichiran. Sana walang pila. Kasi usually maraming pila. Order na tayo guys. Ito lang tayo ano ko. Just the combo. Doble. Tapos pay. Oh, ano included nun? Sali na iced tea. Tapos may egg. Mas regular. Credit card tayo. Yan guys, may pila. Hintayin na lang tayo. Guys, I got lucky. I got a counter seat. Kasi I was waiting dun sa my line. Tapos they told me it was gonna be a 40-minute wait. And yeah, right when I got to the front, sabi nila na I could just choose counter without waiting extra. So yeah. Ito. Ano to? Ichiran's original tea. Oh, I don't know if I should shake this or not. But...
お待たせいたしました。
Arigatou gozaimasu. And guys, yung Italian food. Here it is. So like this one extra chashu. Yeah, let me crack the egg. Ito lang dyan. Cheers. Tries the soup. It's better than the one in New York for sure. You know why too? It's cheaper. I got the medium spice level.
broth is so rich. Let's try the noodles.
それでは失礼いたします。
Thank you. Ah,
では、ごめん失礼いたします。
the broth reminds me of closer to Marufuku, a ramen place in San Francisco. Ah, so, good first meal in Japan. Siguro I'll rate it like 8.5 to 9 out of 10. Good way to start. The egg's nothing special. It's just hard boiled egg. Yeah. I'll finish my meal. I'll take you guys after it.
And guys, finish ko lang kumain sa Ichiran. Sinipon ako dun. So overall yung na lang, di ko na ito bibitin. It's gonna be cheapo. Anyways, recap. So, Ichiran guys, my first experience sa Ichiran was in New York. And it was a couple years back. I think mga 8 years ago na or 7 years ago. Tapos, ang tagal namin maghintay. And then, the experience was different. Look, it's so cool. Lakad na dito. Baka shops are closed, pero looks so cool. Anyways, yun nga. It was like 7 years ago. Tapos, you pay, I think, right after? Or, kalimutan ko. Basta, and then, the modifications, yung ipapamodify mo, like, you modify yung ramen mo, your bowl. Like, you put like, medium ba, spicy, mild, lagyan mo ba ng half clove or 1 clove of garlic, broth richness, noodles, texture, yung ganun. Usually, dun sa dati, when I first tried it, nandun ka na sa counter, tsaka mo pa i-fill up yung form. But this time, much more efficient na kasi nag-fill up ka na ng form right when you're at the line. Tapos, yeah, yung kanina sabi nga nila, I had to wait 40 minutes para counter. Kasi nga, parang that's the part of the experience na Ichiran. Having to eat and sit at the counter. That's yun. Sabi nila, counter is 40-minute wait. May McDonald's sa loob ng guys, parang shopping center. Tapos 40 minutes. I was like, oh, okay. Let me just do table. Kasi nga walang wait. But right when it was my turn, sabi niya, I have the option to do counter with no extra wait time. So yun, I got blessed. Nag-counter na lang ako. Tapos, yeah, what a way to start my eating experience dito sa Japan. Ito yung nagustuhan ko dito sa Japan kasi nga, they have like pictures of what they serve sa loob. I mean, yeah, they have pictures of it outside, which is nice kasi wala ka ng surprise factor. Kasi 'di ba sa Pinas or in America, unlike Chinese restaurants, sa Chinese restaurants, I mean, hindi sa Chinese restaurants, but unlike other restaurants, maliban sa Chinese restaurants, they usually have pictures of their food on the wall or wherever. Tapos, maso-surprise ka na lang. Yokaku. Oh, napunta ko dito last time. Sa may Kyoto. Similar vibe. Oh no. Oh yeah, we did. With Cody and Cindy. Yeah. Ganda ng streets ng Asakusabashi. Or I think Asakusa na to. I think this neighborhood is called Asakusa. Asakusa. I don't know how to pronounce it. But I think Asakusa. I don't know. Yun. Oh, tapos. Guys, so nabayaran ko 1,790 yen for a meal combo set. I think it's the first picture when you go to the self-service kiosk. Tapos 1,790 yen. I put it on my credit card. Tapos it came out to $11 and something cents. Tapos sa New York, I remember I paid the most basic one. It was $26. That was 7 years ago. I don't know how much would it be now. It might be a couple of dollars more. Inflation, counting the inflation. Pero grabe, like, I was like, damn, this is $11. I'm so full. It included an egg, a couple slices of chashu. What else did it include? Obviously the bowl, ramen, tapos iced tea. Oh, it's a shopping district. Look. Ganda. Looks so beautiful. Tingnan natin to sa gabi. Kasi I don't think we can come back here sa gabi na. And then, after natin itong tignan, balik na tayo sa hotel. So guys, sinignan ko sa Google Maps. Ano pala siya? Ito na yung Senso-ji Temple. Ganda ng vibe sa gabi. Wow. I wanna take a picture. Siguro iba din siguro yung ano niya, atake pag gabi tsaka sa morning. Pero ang ganda guys, look. Wow. I'm glad they opened the temple even at night. It looks so good. Wow. And guys, selfie. Ta-chan. Wow. Let's go around. You guys want your picture taken?
Oh yeah?
Oh, sige, Usman. Kabayan, kamusta?
Kabayan, salamat ng marami.
Guys, I just met the coolest couple. Bisaya po sila. But wala ko naka-video because I was taking their picture. And yeah, they're from Australia. They've been there for decades. And yeah, we're talking about how they're actually from Cebu, originally from Cebu. Yeah, ito guys. So I'm inside the temple na. Look. I wonder what this is. Yan. I think this is where you make your wishes. How to draw Mikuji. Drop 100 yen while paying for your wish. Shake the box politely a few times. Make sure your number.
Alright, you want a fortune here?
Just stick back. Shake the box politely a few times. Alright. Wait, which box did you, I'm sorry. Is this the box that you shake?
I was shaking this one.
Oh, I mean like just any of these boxes. Okay, so I drop 100 yen, shake it, and then get like whatever comes out. Okay.
Yes, and then you go for the...
Okay. All right. Thank you. Oh wait, what are these for?
So this is going to be the number that comes out of here.
Oh, and I take it out.
Yeah, so first you put the yen in with your wish.
Uh-huh.
So it's basically you're putting your energy into the yen.
Mm-hmm.
And then, as was suggested by my new friend here, you shake the box with your wish also.
Okay.
And then there's a number in the stick.
Uh-huh.
And then you pull this.
Whichever number
the
it's assigned
number in
to.
it,
Uh-huh.
And then you the omikuji is inside.
Okay. Let me find 100 yen then. Thank you. Wait, let me try this. I got a couple minutes to burn.
I think so. I mean, basically all it's telling me is that, like, okay, yeah, you get your wish, just be patient. I think that's good.
It's like you get your patient.
Yeah, of course. He doesn't have to be patient.
Oh, yeah, 57.
57. 57.
Alright. And then just take it out.
Yeah, and you put you take one,
Take one. And
and then the stick you put it back.
Oh, okay. So I just read the number 27, 57.
If you felt that is bad for you, you can tie it up.
Oh. It says the same thing. What is it?
You got patience?
Yeah, it says that your request will be granted. The patient will get well, but takes a little time.
Yeah, mine was basically saying, big fish, but you gotta wait for it.
I mean, we've been waiting our whole lives. Why not wait a little longer, right?
Sure.
What are you waiting for that you're in a hurry? But
You are a character. Where are you from?
I'm from the Philippines, but I'm originally from the Philippines, but I live in America now.
You're living in the U.S.
Yeah.
Okay, where at?
Austin.
East Coast.
Oh, is it okay if I'm? Oh, I'm actually recording. Yeah. No.
It's up to you.
What was your name again?
Seth.
Seth Charles.
Nice to meet
Nice
you.
to meet you. Yeah, no, I don't. And then you mentioned something about generational trauma, and I read this book called "It Didn't Start with." Yeah, have you heard of that? Yeah. So it's a workbook, and then for people listening, but yeah, it's amazing that you mentioned that because like it doesn't just stop from your grandpa, from your grandma, but it actually follows like seven. It's in the Bible. It's in the Bible too, right? Like. There's so many books actually, not just Bible, but so many books and then so on that book, It Didn't Start With You is they mentioned something about like a genetic code, like when you experience stress, it rewires your genetic code, and then it follows the offspring, and sometimes you gotta dig deeper because at some point you gotta stop whatever. because you know our life is a sum of our choices, but at the same time sometimes you really can't avoid things, but again the beautiful part is you can always hit the brakes. Always hit the brakes. Like I've done so many stupid shit in my life, and I can say that, but yeah, I can
Human, right?
yeah, and then like I got to a point where like you know I'm just tired. You know I'm tired of going through the same thing over and over again. Let me find the blueprint of like how I'm behaving and see like where did I get this? And lo and behold, you know, with some reflection, I find from like boom, this family member, that family member, you know, yeah.
So much, yeah. You know, okay, so
Yeah, go on.
for me, the rabbit hole is gone.
Yeah.
Right, like I went into psychology initially because I was like, what's wrong with people? And I do this little assessment test for my first class. You know.
Yeah.
And then I'm like, at the end of it, I'm like, what's wrong with me? And I come to this understanding that I feel, you know, and this is what I've come to now understand, you know, my perspective. So my perspective of the world was such a high critical factor that, of course, that I felt everyone else was screwed up when I was also of the same capacity. And then I learned about the law of attraction, which is basically like, well, you're attracting all the energy which you're actually vibrating off. And that's what we were talking about with the defending.
Yeah.
When I stopped looking for fights, because there was a time when I stopped looking for fights, and when I was driving and I was worried about whether or not I was going to get pulled over.
Oh, God.
I stopped thinking about all of that.
Yeah.
I was driving for some time. There were times when I was driving, no seatbelt, and cops were like, woo, behind me. And I'm like, oh, crap. But you know what they would do? I would just move over and they would zoom right past me. They wouldn't come for me. And I was like, whoa. So they're not coming for me anymore. But the main thing that I came to understand is that from this is I started analyzing the basics and the way society is structured. But who makes society? We say all of us, but society is cultured. We have Netflix, we have HBO, we have the news, we got football, and we got these ideas of different places in the world that we don't actually know until we get there.
Yeah.
And that puts our nervous system in a very interesting place. So even if you're trying to heal generational trauma, you're being re-traumatized with new crap.
Okay, a different rabbit hole. Okay, go on.
And here's where it gets even more interesting. I once asked my grandmother a question regarding something in our family line about maybe perhaps that we had a special skill. Like that. One time, and then she told me. She said, well, there was this. But she said she stopped allowing herself to use that skill because the skill was traumatic for her to use. The interesting part about it was if she was not traumatized by the skill or rather her mental and emotional state was stronger, she could have developed that skill to be more than what she was experiencing it as. But what I realized is that she was experiencing it in the way she was because her system was already fucking traumatized. So what happens is that if you traumatize a lineage, and that lineage has a special set of skills, well then guess what happens? That set of skills is going to resonate with whatever's trauma is in the body, and now, instead of being the most beautiful painter, maybe you're the most cryptic painter who only connects with the goriness of it, or whatever it is. That's just an example, of course. And then what happens to that gift? What happens to that skill that goes down the line? It gets suppressed because now it's associated with trauma.
It gets tainted. Guys, time check. It's already 10:11, and I was at Senso-ji Temple, and I think in the last clip I was I was about to talk about the Filipino couple that I met, and yeah, nasayahan ako kasi we're Bisaya, and then so I had the chance to like do one of those things where you try your luck. You find your luck. Basahin ko mamaya when I get home. But anyways, I met this really cool dude. His name's Seth. Shout out to Seth. I'm gonna post it on my Instagram. He's actually I was bouncing off ideas from him. He's from Ohio? No, I forgot where he was from. He's from America as well, but he's been traveling. He's a U.S. veteran. He's been traveling Southeast Asia for 2 years now, and he just landed from Bangkok actually. He stayed at Chiang Mai. Look, Shades of Tokyo at 10 o'clock. This is the Senso-ji Temple. Balik tayo dun sa Senso-ji Temple. Actually, let's take a loop because I wanna. Hindi ko na check out masyado kasi nag-usap lang kami for like good 40 minutes. Like holy crap. I had fun kasi nga he's such a very cool dude. Yeah. Tapos nag-usap kami about life, about our views, point of views. He believes in the supernatural. I do a bit too. Very spiritual. He is too. Yun. Tapos look at that. Ang ganda, guys. Look at that. Holy crap. Ang ganda. Let's take a picture. It'll last longer. Picture muna tayo. May nagbubask. Yun. Lumalamig na at I don't know what, it's 56. Dito ba to? 56? I think this is in Austin. Ito yung watch ko, it's showing 56, but I think this is in Austin. Lumalamig na yung temperature. Yeah, it's 50s. I don't think this is. Let me see the temperature. Oh, 56 na nga dito. Tama nga. Tapos bukas warmer daw. Natatain ako, guys. But I don't know if I can come back here sa Senso-ji Temple. Kasi ang lamig. Tapos ang ganda. Stroll dito. So, balik muna tayo sa Senso-ji Temple. Tapos, take tayo ng konting pictures. And then videos. Tapos, just to savor it. Kasi I don't think we can come back here at a nighttime. Balik siguro tayo when the daytime. Kasi ang daming shops dito. I saw it online. But they're closed now kasi nga gabi na. Tingnan natin. Mapalakad talaga kayo dito, guys. Let me try to get back there. And guys, balik tayo. Ay nako, minsan may pagka-curse talaga tong pagka extroverted kong madaldal. Imagine I was having ang tawag dito, almost an hour conversation with a stranger. Oh, look at that. I didn't take a picture of that. Wow, diba? Take ako ng picture, saglit. Wow. Daming Filipino, guys. Oh my god, their phone dropped. Sige. Bilisan natin. Guys, I think I highly suggest you guys should visit Senso-ji Temple at nighttime kasi look, there's not a lot of people but there's still a couple of people. Yan. And we gotta head up there. But this is what I did kanina. Remember, I don't know if you guys remember, but yeah, I ended up getting a good luck thing. Ito yung parang instructions. So basically, you drop 100 yen dito, and then you shake You shake this, and then you grab a bamboo stick, and then whatever number's bamboo stick, you find it here, and then you take out your fortune. Yeah, and then you tie it here if you feel like. Do you have to tie it even if it's good luck?
No, when it's bad luck.
Oh, okay. Hey, you got this. So you only tie it when it's not so good luck, but sabi nila you don't have to worry about it because you don't have to worry about it because it'll eventually work out. It always works out. Yeah, and so I think this is I saw some videos. This is where like you inhale the ashes or the smoke for good luck. Oh, yan guys, that's what it looks like. Should we take a picture? Let's do a selfie. Chan! Siya. Uwi na tayo. Stop over man tayo ng konbini. But yeah. Kasi natatay na ako. Wait, you gotta take a selfie here. I haven't taken a selfie here. Just use my phone. Cha-chang! Alright. Sige, maglakad na ako guys kasi natatayo na ako. Hanap tayo na conveni. Grab some stuff and then head back to the hotel and rest. Alright. Sobrang dami kong energy. 2 times energy. Guys, si Ai. Wala, babaw lang. Guys, what's up? Dito na ako sa room ko. What time is it? 11. Binilisan ko kasi I had to poop. Pakita ko sa inyo yung ko. Ang tawag dito. Convenience store haul ko. Ako convenience store. Pocari Sweat. Na-miss ko to kasi sa Pilipinas. Na last kong try ng Pocari Sweat. I don't know if nasa US pa. Feeling ko nasa US sa mga Asian store. Tapos, ito. Shout out to Tyler. Siya yung nagsabi sa akin na i-try ko daw to. It's an orange flavored milk. Ang sarap nito guys. I swear, promise. And then breakfast for tomorrow. Egg sandwich or egg sando from Family Mart. Family Mart ako bumili. Tapos bag. Kailangan ko to para sa basura. It helps kasi wala masyadong basurahan dito. So meron kayong maliit na bag, lagyan niyo itong folded, lagyan yung basura niyo dito. Yeah, yan lang. Thank you guys for watching my video. Oh, last tip. Kung sa hotel niyo, kung meron kayong malapit na grocery store, dun kayo bumili ng mga ganitong bilihin. Kasi it's cheaper than a convenience store. The reason why na people just buy sa convenience store kasi it's convenient, diba? But yeah, so ito. Pocari Sweat. Mas mura. Exando, lahat mas mura sa convenience, sa grocery store. May nadaanan ako na compare ko talaga. This is 270 sa Family Mart, 270 yen. Or magkano to? 276 yen. Sa convenience store, siya? Ay, sa grocery store, lang, 199 yen. Tapos mura nga. Tapos, yeah, yun lang. Hope you guys, maliligo na ako, punta ako ng onsen, nagbad muna ako. And, kasama tayo bukas, magpa-haircut ako, and shopping. And, yeah, yun. Again, thank you guys for watching my videos and sinamahan nyo ako. And that's it. Ingat kayo and take care of other people around you. And please don't forget to like and subscribe if you like my content. Bye-bye.